all, yes. Just considering this credit, yes. Um, as an individual that's suing you, I have the right to sue on behalf of the lawsuit to recover any and all possible assets that I have the right to get. Yes. And you think, well, you can't sue, but really I can, Sheriff. I can sue you for refusing to enforce the law. Yes. And allowing for what's forbidden by law. Yes. And then I can sue you as the individual that's suing you, or I can sue your creditors. See, I can actually file lawsuits. See, I have the right to any assets that you have and any assets that you didn't know you could have. Just because you're ignorant of what you could have done, I'm smart enough to know that just because you didn't do what you could have, yes, it gives me the right to do it because I get the assets that you were too ignorant to understand that you had the right to get. And then there was a screen print about you disposing of any assets without my authority. Yes, my signature. Why don't you get me restraining orders and protection orders? Your decision. Yes, on every sheriff department. Now, when I go through your credit reports, I'm going to sue on behalf of the individual that has the right to your assets. Any and all lawsuits that you were too ignorant to know that you had the right to sue for. Pooch. So that if you thought that you had a $500,000 or $1 million in actual assets, and you didn't know that you had the right for a lawsuit against any party, really, yes, I'm going to go through with a fine tooth comb, yes, anything and everything that I can attach to every lawsuit of every sheriff, police officer, oath of office, attorney, badge, judge, and justice, pooch, and a mandatory reporter, and any and all individuals that are liable for refusing to enforce my rights as a citizen. Just because you didn't know that you could have sued doesn't mean that I don't know that I can sue because I'm suing you for the assets that you did not know that you could get.